Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok live not working. As you can see, this is the official app of TikTok, so make sure to use this correct app and also update the app from your App Store or Play Store. And once you have updated the app and logged in with your account, so just go to the TikTok app, and from here you will see multiple options like home, friends, inbox and profile. So just click on this profile option, and once you're in the profile, just click on these three lines on the upper right corner and just click on settings and privacy. Once you're here in the settings and privacy section, so just scroll down at the end and you will find this option called report a problem in support and about section. So just click on report a problem and it will take a few seconds to load. And once you're here facing a problem section, so just scroll down and click on this live option. And once you are in the live section, just click on hosting live or viewing live. So let's say I am having problem with viewing live, so just click on viewing live. And once you're here, you will see like multiple problems. I can't find any live and I can't send, see, comments, anything. So just try your box. So let's say I click on the first one. I can't find any live on TikTok. And once you're here, just click on no. Do not click on yes. Just click on need more help. And once you click on need more help, so this will basically the support, kind of support, TikTok support. So just click on, let's say I'm having issues with the live. So just click on live. And once you click on live, so they will basically just, let me scroll down and find my option. Here you can see the multiple questions. I cannot start a live. You are having any kind of problem, so just click on any of them, like my live is banned, something like that, and they will answer you something like that. So just dislike this answer, and once you dislike the answer, so basically they will ask you to submit a ticket. So just click on submit a ticket and explain your issue, like write down all the description and also attach the picture of it, and make sure to add all the details. And once you do it, TikTok team will contact you like within 24 to 48 hours and solve your problem. So that is how you can solve TikTok live not working on your account.